Folks, welcome back to EZRA ONDARA TV, and today is house tour day. And guys, today I am in Milimani in Nakuru city, and I came across these massive Maisonettes, and I thought, why not bring them exclusively to you. There are 3 of them, as you can see in the video, but we are going to go inside one and we see how things are looking like inside there. But I can promise you it is elegant, superb. These Maisonettes, they are for sale. I'll tell you the price later. It's good I show you what we have inside, then I tell you the price, then you weigh, then you make your decision. Without further ado, I'll just go inside there, and then I'll give you more details by the end of this video regarding how you can purchase and how you can also visit the place. All right, so let's just go inside. All right, so the main entry leads into the living room, and this is such a massive space with beautiful touches all around, including top quality flooring, good lighting, and conveniently placed electric sockets. This home features an open style kitchen, and the presence of a sink at this corner indicates that the dining area should be located just next to the kitchen. The kitchen itself is quite spacious, and there's plenty of storage for your items. Another smaller room there to provide additional storage. Let's not forget there's a 4-burner gas stroke electric cooker already installed in this kitchen. Out here you have a laundry area with a large countertop space and storage shelves underneath, plus electric sockets and a water tap to facilitate installation of a washing machine. Still on the ground floor, we have a bedroom here, and this one shares a washroom with the rest of the house, as evidenced by a dual entry into the washroom. That is, you can access the washroom on the ground floor from the living room as well as from this bedroom. And speaking of washrooms, here they have used hotel quality fixtures and faucets. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, so we are here on the top floor, and it is where we have the bedrooms, additional bedrooms. We had one more bedroom downstairs, and here we just have a couple of 3 more bedrooms plus a study room, and there is one here. There's another one here, and the master bedroom is this side, and on this door is where we have a study room. You know, you can also make it, let's say, an office, you know, or something of that sort. And this is one of the guest bedrooms. And it's worth noting that all the bedrooms here are en suite. is another one, and it's nothing short of what we saw on the other side. And then we conclude by a visit to the master bedroom. Now, the design here was well thought out, in that the wardrobes are in a separate room from the bed area. The door to the master bedroom leads straight into the wardrobes area, and the bedroom is on the right side of it, while the washroom is on the left. So guys, the designers here, they used a mesh door, plus now these are the door with glass. So this one is actually useful when it comes to trapping mosquitoes, you know, and other insects, you know. So it basically it means you can open this one and you have this one closed, you know, even in the evening to let in some air with air butter, and this mesh will be helpful when it comes to keeping mosquitoes out. In addition to the acres of space in the master bedroom, there is a huge balcony out here. Talk about the view. Remember, we are in Milimani, Nakuru, and this is the balcony, you know, outside the master bedroom. And from here you can just come out here, you know, enjoy some cool breeze, you know, see your surrounding, you know. I mean, it is such a lovely space for you to come and chill, you know, unwind, meditate. I mean, you just call it. And that's it from me here at Milimani, city of Nakuru. This is a prime location. Now, should you want to purchase this exquisite maisonette, the price is just 40 million, slightly negotiable. My number is in the description, so hit my line and let's come for a visit, and hopefully you will be the newest homeowner in the city of Nakuru. One is already sold out, 2 more to go. Subscribe to this channel and see you in the next one.